zombie. It's right there. See, this is why you don't carry a cup of coffee, because I like to reach up there and zoom. Look at that thing. This is why you bring a camera too, a real camera. Then you stop and take proper pictures. Alright, setting coffee down. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? That is zoomed up, isn't it? Still recording. Okay. I know I shouldn't get too close, but it's hard not to. Oh, there he goes. Shit. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Awesome. You're just doing that to show off. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to turn this off and go around a little further away. This thing's hopping on 1 foot. How come it's only got 1 foot? Damn. Okay. God, I want to stay and watch this thing, but